Hello dear friends and followers, welcome to Vidhi Vyakyan and happy 72nd Republic Day to all. This was the day when India adopted its constitution, so there are few facts which we need to know. Number 1. On 26 January 1950, Government of India Act 1935 and Indian Independence Act 1947 got repealed. Yes, before the enactment and adoption of Indian Constitution, Government of India Act 1935 was in force as per Indian Independence Act 1947. So by the adoption of Indian Constitution, both got repealed as per Article 395 of Indian Constitution. Number 2. Supreme Court of India is established. India got its apex court of law, the Supreme Court of India, which succeeded Federal Court of India on this day, and the first proceeding of the court was started on 28 January 1950. Number 3. Dr. Rajendra Prasad took the oath as the first President of Republic India on 26 January 1950. India's first President took his oath at 10:24 am in Darbar Hall of Government House and hosted national flag in Irwin Stadium on the same day. Number 4. The national emblem of India was adopted. The lion capital of Ashoka at Saranath with the motto Satyameva Jayate was adopted on the same day when India became a republic. Number 5. Republic Day is celebrated for 3 days. Yes, Republic Day is a 3-day long celebration accompanied by parade performances and drill. The beating retreat is held at the end to mark the end of Republic Day on 29 January every year. Number 6. The Indian Air Force came into existence as an independent body on the Republic Day. Prior to this, the Air Force was a controlled body. Number 7. India declared a republic. It was the day when the people of India got opportunity to elect its own leaders. Though India became a free nation on August 15, 1947, it declared itself a sovereign, democratic and republic state with the adoption of the constitution. Number 8. From 1950 to 1954, Republic Day was celebrated at Irwin Stadium, and it was first celebrated at Rajpath in the year 1955. Now let's see what is special this year. Today we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day. There are some of the specialities this year, as it was the 4th time in the history when India will celebrate its Republic Day without any foreign leader. There is no motor vehicle stunts by the troops of the army this year. India's first woman fighter pilot Rafale jets along with the vintage aircraft will be the part of Republic Day this year for the first time.